Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys fingerprint lock setup setting. How to set up fingerprint lock, how to use fingerprint lock setting one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to use fingerprint lock setting. Open your phone setting friends. After turning phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone security setting. After phone security setting friends, you can use find my device setting, security update setting. Friends, click here phone fingerprint lock setting. After phone fingerprint lock setting, click here set screen lock password first. After set friends, select your password type. So friends, I will use pattern lock. Next option, draw pattern for fingerprint lock. So friends, I will use this pattern. Again guys, same pattern draw, and remember your password, don't do any mistake, be careful. Done option. Friends, click here add fingerprint option and next option, and friends with fingerprint lock you want to use add your fingerprint. So friends, I will use my first finger and then touch and remove, because if you touch, so friends you cannot add fingerprint, you cannot use fingerprint lock setting. So when touch and remove different move, then friends you can set fingerprint lock and you can use fingerprint lock in your Tecno mobile. So as fingerprint lock will set, click here finish option, and friends fingerprint lock will set. And again you want to use fingerprint lock setting, you want to use two fingerprint, you can add one more fingerprint lock, and you can use fingerprint lock setting on app lock setting. So friends, lock your screen and you can unlock your device with fingerprint. So like that friends, we can set a fingerprint lock, we can set a fingerprint lock password in Tecno mobile. Friends, again open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting friends, you don't want to use fingerprint and you don't want to use screen lock password. So friends, only remove your screen lock password, fingerprint lock will delete automatic. You can see this notification, your saved fingerprint lock will remove automatic. And again if you click fingerprint, you cannot use, you will have to set first log screen password. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.